Hi everyone, we can continue exercise 14b. Now we can start question number 15 onwards. Question number 15. A 5, 4, B negative 3, negative 2, C 1, negative 8 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Find first one the slope of the altitude of AB, second one the slope of the median AD, and third the slope of the line parallel to AC. So we have to find out the slope of altitude of AB and the slope of the median AD. So median, AD is the median. So third one is the slope of the line parallel to AC. So what will be the slope of AB? Slope of AB will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2 minus y1. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. y2 minus y1 means negative 2 minus 4 divided by negative 3 minus 5, which is equal to negative 6 by negative 8, which is equal to 6 by 8. If we cancel, we will get it as 3 by 4. Slope of AB. Then CE is perpendicular to AB. CE is perpendicular to AB. So, the slope of AB and what about slope of CE? That is, CE is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, both the slopes, product of the slopes, that is slope of AB into slope of CE will be 1. Let the slope of CE be M. Let M be the slope of CE. Then these two are perpendicular means slope of AB into slope of CE will be equal to negative 1. Product of the slopes is negative 1. Slope of AB we have 3 by 4 into, we assume M be the slope of CE, which is equal to negative 1. So what will be the slope of CE? That is, M is equal to what? Negative 1 into 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3, which is equal to negative 4 by 3. So slope of CE will be 4 by 3. That is, the slope of the altitude of AB will be what? Now we got negative 4 by 3. So that is the slope of altitude of AB. That is what? CE itself. No. Slope of the altitude of AB. So we got the first part as negative 4 by 3. Slope of altitude, therefore the slope of altitude of AB is equal to negative 4 by 3. The next second part we have to find out the slope of the median AD. Slope of the median AD. So how can we find the slope of the median AD? Median is given. That means AD is the median. So how can we find the point D? Since AD is the median, using midpoint formula we can find the coordinates of D. So D will be what? So coordinates of dxy will be x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is negative 3 x1 y1 here x2 y2. So negative 3 plus 1 by 2 and negative 2 plus negative 8 by 2. So which is equal to negative 2 by 2, negative 2 minus 8 by 2. So negative 1 comma negative 10 by 2, that is negative 1 comma negative 5. dxy will be negative 1 negative 5. dxy will be negative 1 negative 5. We have to find the slope of AD. How can we find the slope of AB? Slope of AD is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So slope of AD will be negative 5, y2 minus y1, that is x2 minus x1. So negative 5 y2, okay, this we can write it as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, negative 1 minus 5. So which is equal to negative 9 by negative 6, which is equal to 9 by 6, 3 by 2. So slope of AD, that is our second part, slope of median AD. Therefore, slope of median AD is equal to 3 by 2. That is the second part of our question. Then third one, the slope of line parallel to AC. So slope of line parallel to AC means we have to find the slope of AC, isn't it? Then only we can find the slope of line parallel to AC. That means slope of line AC and slope of line parallel to AC will be same since they are parallel. So how can we find the slope of line parallel to AC? For that we have to find out the slope of AB. Slope of AC. Slope of AC will be what? y2 minus y1 divided by y1 divided by x2 minus x1. AC. Okay. y2 minus y1. So we can write this as x1 y1. This is x2 y2. y2 minus y1 means negative 8 minus y1 4 divided by 1 minus 5 is equal to negative 12 by negative 4, which is equal to positive 3. So slope of AC is 3. Therefore, slope of line parallel to AC also will be 3. Since the slopes of two parallel lines are equal. Okay. 16th question. The slope of side BC of a rectangle ABCD is 2 by 3. So slope of BC is given as 2 by 3. We have to find the slope of side AB and also the slope of side AD. So slope of BC is given as what? 2 by 3. Since BC is parallel to AD, since BC is parallel to AB, what will be the slope of AD? Slope of AD also will be what? That means BC is parallel to AD is given. Therefore, slope of AD also will be 2 by 3 since these two are parallel lines. Then AB is perpendicular to AD. AB is perpendicular to AB. AB is perpendicular to AD. Why? Because since it is a rectangle given. ABCD is a rectangle. So what will be? AB will be perpendicular to AD. So slope of AB into slope of AD will be equal to negative 1. That is, the product of their slopes will be negative 1 if they are perpendicular. We have slope of AB, we have to find out. Let M be the slope of, AB. So how can we write slope of AB? We can write it as M into, we know slope of AD is what? 2 by 3 is equal to negative 1. Therefore, M is equal to negative 1 divided by 2 by 3. So it will become 3 by 2. Therefore, M is equal to negative 3 by 2. That is, slope of AB is equal to what? Negative 3 by 2. We have to find out the slope of AB. So instead of doing this M as the slope of AB directly, if you want, you can write instead of this, we can write directly, you can write instead of writing M, directly you can write what? Slope of AB into 2 by 3 is equal to negative 1. Therefore, we can say what? Therefore, slope of AB is equal to negative 1 into 3 by 2. That is, slope of AB is equal to negative 3 by 2. Okay. The next is, that is what? Already we got the answer as what? Slope of AD. Slope of AD we got it as 2 by 3. that is the second part. Now we got slope of AB, that is the first part. So slope of AB is equal to negative 3 by 2 and slope of AD second is 2 by 3. Okay. 17th question. Find the slope and the inclination of the line AB if A, first one, A negative 3 negative 2, B 1 2. So given points are A negative 3 negative 2 and B given as 1 2. So we have to find the slope, that is M we have to find out, and inclination theta also we have to find out. So we know slope is equal to what? Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So slope of AB is equal to A and B are the 2 points. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to 2 minus negative 2 divided by 1 minus negative 3, that is 2 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 3. So 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. That is M is equal to 1. That means slope we got it as 1, slope of line AB we got it as 1. Next we have to find out theta. That is instead of M we can replace it as what? M is equal to 1. That means tan theta is equal to 1. So for what value of theta it will become? For what value of that? Tan. It will be 1. So tan 45 is 1. So theta will be 45 degree. So we got the value of theta as 45 degree. Okay. So slope is equal to 1 and inclination theta is equal to 45 degree. Second question, A 0 negative root 3, B 3 0. So here also we can find the slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to 0 minus negative root 3 divided by 3 minus 0, which is equal to positive root 3 divided by 3. So 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3. So 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3. So root 3 cancel, we will get it is 1 by root 3. The slope of AB is equal to, slope of AB we got it as 1 by root 3. Next we have to find the inclination theta. That means M is equal to 1 by root 3. That is slope is 1 by root 3. That means tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 we got. So for what value of theta we got the answer, we will get the answer as 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So theta is equal to 30 degree. So inclination, therefore inclination theta is equal to 30 degree. Then third question, A is equal to negative 1 to root 3, B negative 2 root 3. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to root 3 minus 2 root 3 divided by negative 2 minus negative 1. So root 3 minus 2 root 3 will be what? That is simply root 3 means what? 1 root 3. So one side is positive, other side is negative, subtract into the bigger number sign. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Root 3. Sign of that is negative. Divided by negative 2 plus 1. Negative 1 root 3 means what? Root 3 itself. Divided by here negative 1. So negative divided by negative positive. We will get the value of slope of AB as root 3. That means slope M is equal to root 3. So M we can write it as tan theta. So tan theta is equal to root 3. That is tan theta is equal to root 3. We have to find the inclination theta. So for what value of theta? Tan 30 degree, or 60 degree. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Okay. So theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay, inclination is equal to, therefore the inclination is equal to, therefore the inclination is equal to 60 degree. Okay, thank you.